Hi, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to Today. Good to have you along with us. We got there. It is Friday morning, and a chilly one.
A snowy one in some places.
We're going to start with that winter storm. Take a live look at this. This is Attica, New York. The snow is already coming down, and it's coming down fast. And forecasters are saying this could last 4 days.
Some areas are bracing for, get this, up to 5 feet. And it's also impacting the NFL schedule as well. The league has moved this weekend's Bills game up to Detroit.
Pretty remarkable because they know how to deal with snow up there. The severe weather is impacting travel, of course, from coast to coast. Hundreds of flights already canceled or delayed today. And it is going to be a busy travel week, reaching pre-pandemic levels not seen in years.
That's right. AAA, in fact, predicts nearly 55 million people will be on the move for Thanksgiving. We've got it all covered for you, including Dylan's full forecast.
But let's get started in Buffalo. NBC's Jesse Kirsch is right there. Jesse, good morning.
Savannah, good morning. What you're looking at right now as the snow's picking back up here is actually just the lull compared to some of what we saw overnight. This storm is expected to continue for 36 hours or so. And here's what we've got downtown in Buffalo already. About 9 inches here, but we've seen double of that reported in some areas, including where the Bills were supposed to be playing against the Browns on Sunday. And all of this is causing a travel ban and a state of emergency to be in effect here in Buffalo. But New York is not the only state being hit by this early storm.
This morning, an early taste of winter's worst has Buffalo at a complete standstill. Overnight, western New York hit with thunder snow. Part of an hours-long lake effect storm shutting down Buffalo public schools.
Our biggest enemy here for the next 48 to 72 hours is a lack of common sense.
Please never run a generator inside your house or inside your garage.
I wasn't expecting this. This is big.
But by Monday, the total could be a crippling 5 feet. The intense storm forcing the Bills and Cleveland Browns to move their Sunday matchup out of Buffalo to Detroit. But parts of Michigan, Ohio, and Pennsylvania are also blanketed in white, with some areas seeing almost 1.5 feet of snow on the ground.
What we're talking about is a major storm. This is considered an extreme event.
All of this earlier than expected mess thanks to lake effect snow, which happens when moisture from the Great Lakes' relatively warm waters collides with Arctic air blasting over the Midwest and Northeast. Low visibility and rapid accumulation will make some roads and airport runways harder to reach less than a week before Thanksgiving.
Be mindful of the travel advisories. Stay home if you can.
Even if you don't see snow, you may not be in the clear. The northern plains and upper Midwest are expecting high temps in the 20s, with some overnight lows plummeting into single digits. And at least 20 million people are facing freeze alerts into tomorrow morning from Texas to Virginia. Back in Buffalo, the storm's bullseye, this is a weekend to stay in.
You are an obstacle to our plow trucks when you're on the road. And when you get on the road and you get stuck, our plows can't get past you.
Thankfully, officials say it seems that people really heeded the warnings. And what you're looking at right now is a snowstorm that could be coming from a band at least twice as big as the one back in 2014, which had people so concerned. Another thing to keep in mind, you want to be getting snow off of your roof as quickly as possible to minimize the risk of any collapse before the snow gets heavier. It's easiest to do that when it's fresh. And for those who are wondering if this is snowball snow, the answer, Savannah, is yes. Back to you.
Yes, it is. It landed somewhere, but we trust you there. Jesse, thank you.
All right, we're going to bring in Dylan right now. Boy, if the folks in Buffalo are saying this is a big deal, it's a real big deal.
Yeah, where the Bills play, they already have more than 18 inches of snow on the ground. Lake effect snow is a really, really interesting phenomenon. So you have warmer waters in the Great Lakes, and you have this wind that is Arctic and, very, very cold that's crossing over those warmer lakes. So it creates this lake effect snow. The warm air rises, and it develops into this snow. But I want to show you how isolating it is. So from Buffalo down to Gowanda, this area right here is about 80 miles wide. So you go north into Buffalo proper, it's not snowing. You go to Erie, Pennsylvania, it's not snowing. But right in here, we're seeing snowfall rates of about 3 to 4 inches per hour. As the winds shift, those bands of snow shift as well. So while you could be, driving, all of a sudden you run into these heavier bands of snow, and it's whiteout conditions and impossible to see. So watch what happens as we go through tonight. We're going to see the winds shift to more of a southwesterly direction. That should shift that snow up into the Buffalo area, and then it will continue to shift off to the north. And as the winds waver, so do those little bands of snow, those streamers of snow. So it's really in this general area off of Lake Erie, off of Lake Ontario, where we'll see an additional 2 feet of snow in some of those areas, putting snowfall totals somewhere around 5 feet. Again, mostly in and around the Buffalo area, up near Watertown, north of Syracuse, where we do have to really keep an eye on this whole snow event through the weekend, Savannah.
All right, Dylan, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.